Do you really need more than 15 kilos for espresso? Let's talk about it. This is the CERA Titan electric coffee tamper, a precision tamper designed to make espresso dosing faster, smoother, and more consistent. Instead of guessing the right pressure every time, this device applies the same temp automatically with just one push. The goal is to remove the guesswork and apply the same pressure every single time. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me help you to find the best coffee gear out there. So the first thing I noticed when I picked it up, it's heavy, but heavy in a good way. It feels solid, premium, and very well built. The finish looks clean and modern. It fits perfectly next to a serious espresso setup. One thing I like, it charges with a Type-C USB charger. So you just plug it in like this and you're good. Of course, no special cable needed. Before anything else, I want to talk about the settings, because that's what most people are confused about. This tamper has adjustable pressure between 15 and 20 kilos, plus hold time from off up to 10 seconds. If you are a beginner, keep it simple. I recommend starting with 15 kilos, 1 cycle, and about 1 second hold time. You don't need crazy pressure. For normal use, more pressure doesn't really improve extraction, and for hold time, 1 second is perfect. 5 or 10 seconds won't make your espresso better. It just
slows down your walkthrough.
So my beginner setup is 15 kilos, 1 second hold, 1 cycle, done. After that, focus more on grind size and distribution. That's where the real magic happens. Using it is really simple. Grind your coffee, distribute it properly in the portafilter. Then place the tamper straight on top. Just rotate it clockwise and the tamping starts automatically. You can even hold the portafilter in your hand. It automatically applied the pressure and holds it for the set time. As you can see, the pack looks perfect, exactly what we want. And now for the part that really matters, the espresso results. Moment of truth. Take a look at that. The espresso flows smoothly and the crema looks rich and thick. For me, a great shot of espresso here. Let's go through the process once again. I dose the coffee into the portafilter. Then I use the WDT tool to break up any clumps. And distribute the ground evenly. Once the coffee is nicely leveled, I place the tamper on top and turn it clockwise to start the tamping process. After each use, it is recommended to clean the tamper using the small brush included in the box. Overall, the CERA Titan makes tamping simple and repeatable. It is very consistent, and consistency is what we want in espresso. What I really like, very consistent pressure, easy beginner-friendly adjustment, solid and premium feel, USB-C charging, and clean modern design. This is perfect for someone who makes espresso daily. If you're serious about your coffee setup, this adds another level of control. You don't need extreme pressure, 15 kilos is already enough. Keep the settings simple, focus on grind size, and you will get great results. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you like, hit subscribe and see you on the next video.